Students, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, in our previous video we had discussed about the evaporation and boiling. Today we will explain the thermal expansion of matter. You know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases, which expanded when it is heated. So the atoms themselves don't expand, but the volume they take up, it does. Okay, when a solid is heated, its atoms vibrate faster about their fixed point, and as a result the distance between the molecules it increases and the substance expands. So the relative increase in the size of solids when it is heated, therefore small. So metals, here railway tracks have small gaps, so that when they heated, the tracks expand into these gaps and they don't buckle. Okay, students, liquid expanded for the same reason, but because the bonds between separate molecules are usually less tight, so they expand more than solids. Okay, and this is the principle behind liquid in gas thermometer. Okay, so this is the not gas but glass. This is the principle which is behind the liquid in a glass thermometer. You will observe there an increase in the temperature results in the expansion of the liquid and it rises up in the glass tube. So molecules within gases are further apart and weakly attracted to each other, and heat causes the molecules to move faster. So heat energy is converted into kinetic energy at that time, which means that the volume of gas it increases more than the volume of a solid or liquid. Okay, so when air is heated, it expands and density decreases. As the result, volume rises. Next one is, students, here, do you know different solid they expand differently by heating? So about these all it is given here. So types of thermal expansion, about that you will study here. So let's discuss. So first is linear expansion. So you know that the expansion along the length of a material, that is known as linear expansion. When you might have noticed that when a wire is heated by any means, its length increases, and linear expansion depends on the factors which are given here. So first factor is temperature. You know, when two rods of the same metal having the same length are heated to different temperatures, so the rod heated to a higher temperature and it expands more than the one heated to a lower temperature. Okay, now to higher temperature the rod heated and it expands more than that which is heated at lower temperature, and original length of the solids, to a longer rod of metal it expands more than a smaller rod. So the same metal, that means a long rod which have more length, that expands more, and when heated for the small amount of time, so this process is occurred there. Next one is nature of material. It is also very important that different metals have different nature. So at the same temperature different materials will expand differently. Okay, it is depending on the nature of that metal. Okay, now superficial expansion. So you know that this term is used when expansion leads to increase in surface area. When an iron plate is heated, its area increases and it is a two-dimensional change. And cubical expansion, when a solid metal block is heated, its volume increases, and this increases in the volume of the block is termed as cubical expansion. It is the three-dimensional change. Now you know the thermal expansion of steel and concrete are almost same. This factor increases the compatibility of two materials in any construction, they are capable to adjust with thermal expansion and contractions. Now, next one is thermal expansion of solids. So students, here let us perform an activity to observe the thermal expansion into the solids. Now, different substances of same dimension, when we heated them through the same range of temperature, so it expands by the, when it expands, so it expands by the different amount. That means different materials, they will expand by the different amounts. For example, suppose that when you have taken the brass, it expands 1.5 times more than steel. So its expansion is more than steel, and aluminium expands twice as much as steel. So let us perform the activity to observe the difference in expansion of solids. So here these materials are given, and your aim is to show, students, your aim is to show in solids as a result of heating. So here you are seeing that materials, a metal ball, a ring with internal diameters such that the ball can just pass through stand and the burner, these will be taken here. So before heating this situation is there, and after heating you are seeing here that when it is heated, so after the procedure it take the metallic ball and the metallic ring, and the diameter of the ball that should be such that in just able to pass the rings, है ना? Okay, now heat the ball over a burner and try to pass it once again. So through the ring, and this time the ball get stuck in the ring. You are seeing here, and in observation finally you will find that after heating the ball does not pass through the ring. Okay, so what will you find in inference? This shows that the size of diameter of metal ball that has increases on heating. Okay, this one is the effect of heating. Okay, now students, this is sufficient for today. Our next topic, which is remaining in this chapter, we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you everyone.